Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting the hardware and accounts ready. Connect a FAT32 USB drive or a properly formatted external HDD and sign into the same PSN user on the Ps3. Once done, make sure system settings allow data management and you have enough free space on the drive. This avoids mid-transfer interruptions. Next, open Game Saved Data Utility, Ps3, and locate the save you want. You're taking the first actionable step now. Highlight the save and press triangle to see copy options. You copy the save by selecting the desired file in Save Data Utility, pressing triangle, and choosing copy to the connected USB device or external HDD. If a save is copy protected, you can either perform a full backup utility system backup, or, when available, use Cloud Save via PlayStation Plus to sync it. This preserves copy-locked files. Once copied, navigate to the USB device entry on the XMB and confirm the file size and timestamp. This ensures the transfer to restore, connect the USB drive to the target Ps3, sign into the same PSN user, then go to Saved Data Utility USB device and copy the save to system storage. If you see a cannot copy or copy protected error, check that the PSN account is activated on that console and the game version matches. Deactivate/reactivate licenses if needed. As a final tip, keep a full system backup and use PSN cloud saves when possible. This solves most permission and corrupted save scenarios quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.